Let me show you how to add a contact photo on your iPhone. The other person won't see what contact photo you use and won't be notified when you change it. Now, you can either go into the messages if you're chatting with somebody and you want to add a photo for their contact information. You can do it in the messages by editing their contact, but you can also just do that in the phone app itself by going to the contacts list and then navigating to that specific contact. You can see in this case, there is no contact photo or poster. I can always add that contact photo or poster by choosing a memoji, monogram emoji, or better yet, I can choose a photo from my photo library. So let's say this is my Trevor Android contact. So I'm just going to scroll down until it shows me a photo of myself. Or let's say in this case, I just want to choose some trees. Now, after I've done that, it will choose that contact photo and I can hit choose. But you also might want to add a contact poster as well. So we can go through the process of customizing that contact poster, either by changing the color or the letters, or within here, I can choose a photo for the contact poster in addition to that contact photo. So this will be a bit different. Basically, you can have a poster, which is the surrounding of that contact, versus the avatar is the photo of that specific person. Now, if you hit the check mark here, you'll be able to see this is their contact poster. And again, if they call you or text you, you'll be able to see that photo.